Dear children, today I will discuss about lesson number 9, that is algebraic expressions and identities. Okay, to learn this chapter, these terms are very important. First one is constant term, second one is variable term, third one is expressions, fourth one is equations, and last one is an identities. Okay, dear children, already you have learned what is constant, what is variable, what is expression, what is equation, and what is an identity in your earlier classes. Okay, once again I will discuss about what is constant. Yes, you take constant. This is mathematical symbol. Mathematical symbol which is having fixed value. It may be any real number or some constants like pi. You take any real numbers, example any reals. Real numbers in the sense that is the combination of or union of set of rationals and irrationals. Rational number set, it is denoted by capital letter Q. Irrational number set, it is denoted by capital letter Q dash. So that set of union of rationals and irrationals are called as real number set. Yes, you take any real numbers, all those numbers are constants. Okay, and some Greek constants are there. That Greek constants like pi, its value is 22 upon 7. Psi, here it is a psi, and this is lambda, this is gamma, this is alpha, this is beta, okay, etc. These are the some Greek constants. Okay, these are also called as the constant terms. Okay, yes, and then to represent this constant terms, we can use A, B, C, so on. Yes, I will take one equation, that is ax plus b is equals to 0. Ax plus b is equals to 0. Yes, example you take here, example ax plus b equals to 0. I have written here one equation because this is equated to 0, hence it is called as an equation. So a be the constant term. In such case, this a is known as coefficient of x and b is the constant term. What is b here? This is mathematical symbol which is having fixed value. It means that does not change. That does not change. For example, a equals to, you take 2. Okay, wherever you go, 2, its value is 2 only, right? Once you go to the America, France, Japan, whatever it is, okay, you go and ask what is the value of 2, they will say that value of 2 is 2 only. It means it does not change at all in anywhere. Okay, yes, because this is mathematical symbol which is having the fixed value like this. Next one, variable. What is an variable? This is also a mathematical symbol. It is a mathematical symbol. Mathematical symbol which is not having fixed value. There is no fixed value here. Okay, to represent that variables we are using example x, y, z, so on, etc. Okay. Yes, here you consider ax plus b equal to 0. In this case, x is an variable, a be the constant term or coefficient of x, this b be the constant term it is. Okay. Yes, this is about the variable. Variable in the sense that keep on changing. Okay. It means it is not having the fixed value. Which is having the fixed value, that is called it as a constant term. Which is not having the fixed value, it is called as variable. Go on changing it is. Okay. And then next one is expression. Which expression it is? Algebraic expression. What is an expression? Okay, this is the combination of two or more terms by mathematical operations. Dear children, you well known about the mathematical operations. Which are those? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Yes, I will take two terms. Same equation you take here, ax plus b. Same I will take here. Example, ax plus b. See, this contains two terms. One, it is constant term. This is call it as coefficient of x, and x be the variable term. So in between these two terms, that multiplication operation is there, right? There is a multiplication operation here. Okay, you have to consider this one, it is one term because it is algebraic term. Algebraic term in the sense that contains coefficient and variable. Okay, yes, and then I combined these two terms. Yes, ax plus b. These two terms are combined by this addition operation. Okay, because it is called as ax plus b. Plus in the sense this is the what? Addition operation. And then I will take only this term. In between these two, multiplication operation is there. Okay, therefore this is called as combination of two terms. One is called as coefficient and one is called as constant or variable. Okay, yes, you take these two terms. Regarding these two terms are combined by this addition operation. Hence, this is called as an expression. Okay, this is what? Expression. Yes, you take ax plus b or ax plus ay plus c, whatever it is. Okay, you take one example, numerical example, it is 2x plus 3. In the place of a, what I have written here, 2, x I kept as it is, plus addition operation is there. In the place of p, what I have written here, 3. Okay, 3 be the constant term, 2 be the coefficient of x be the variable. Okay, this is the what? Combination of two terms by addition operation. This is the combination of two terms. This is constant term, this is variable term, and this is combined by multiplication operation. Okay, like this type of combinations of terms are called as expressions. Which type of expressions? These are algebraic expressions. Okay, and then equation. What is an equation? If that algebraic expression is equated to the zero, equated to the zero in the sense that is the rational function. Any algebraic function you have to consider, if it is equals to 0, that algebraic function I will write p of x or f of x, you have to take it, f of x. If f of x be the function, if it is equals to 0, that is called it as a rational function. If it is not equals to 0, this is called it as irrational function. So now I am taking f of x equals to 0, therefore this is rational function. Rational function in the sense that has specific roots. If it has specific roots, that is called as an equation. Roots, how we have to get the roots of that equation? by factorizing. Okay, first we have to get their factors. With the help of that factors we can find the roots. Yes, it means f of x is equals to what? 0. This is a rational function. This is called as an equation. Okay, yes. If an algebraic expression it contains or it has specific roots, then that algebraic expression it is equated to the 0. That equated to the 0 algebraic expression is known as what? An equation. Okay, yes. If the rational function f of x is said to be an equation, then it is equated to the what? Then it is equated to 0 itself. Yes, that is f of x is equals to what? 0. This is called as what? An equation. Yes, I will write with the help of this. 2x plus 3 equals to 0. 2x plus 3 equals to 0. See, this is an equation because it is equated to the 0. This is algebraic expression, it is equated to the 0 here. Okay, I will write 2x is equals to minus 3. X equals to minus 3 divided by 2. Yes, this is the what value of x. You have to put it in the place of x. You will get 0 equals to 0. If you get 0 equals to 0, then you have to call it as specific root of this equation. If the expression it has the specific root, then that expression is known as what? An equation. Okay, exactly, it is equated to the what? 0. Yes, and it is about the what expressions, and in the tomorrow class I will discuss about its remaining part. That's very important. Okay, thank you.